Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Office on your Mac for free in 2024. Yes, you heard it right, for free. So if you're excited about this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. First up, we're going to use Microsoft Office Online. It's a completely free and legitimate way to access all the essential Office apps. Open your preferred web browser and go to office.com. Once you're on the website, click on Sign in the top right corner. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one for free. After signing in, you'll see all the Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. After you've opened, you can create, edit, and save documents just like you would in the desktop version. All your work is saved automatically to OneDrive so you can access it from anywhere. Another way to use Microsoft Office for free is by downloading the mobile apps on your iPhone or iPad. These apps are free to use and it offers many of the same features as the desktop version. Just open the App Store, search for Microsoft Word, Excel or PowerPoint and download them. Once downloaded, open the app, sign in with your Microsoft account and you're good to go. You can create and edit documents right from your mobile device. If none of these options work for you, there are also alternative free Office suites that are compatible with Microsoft Office formats such as Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, or LibreOffice. These tools are also great options and can open, edit, and save files in Microsoft Office formats. And there you have it, multiple ways to use Microsoft Office on your Mac for free in 2024.